Hello guys, welcome back to my new video, and today I'm going to talk about what type of things you should bring from your country when you travel for the first time in Finland. So students already started to come into Finland. Uh, they have uh, they have to start their study within few weeks. Maybe some students will start in this month, some will start in the beginning of next month, and they're already packing their luggage, and they are buying things from the shop. So they are asking to me that what type of things they should bring from their country to Finland, and what is the most important thing in all those packing related things. So, as you cannot bring everything from your country, you are traveling by a plane, and there is a limit, and that limit might be 30 kilo, or it can be 40 kilogram, or maybe maximum it can be 50 kilo. So you need to bring your stuff in this in your luggage, in your luggage weight. So the main thing I will tell you that you should bring all your certificates. A few days back, one student asked me if they should bring their certificate into Finland. Yes, you should bring all your main certificate. It can be higher education from bachelor degree, masters, or whatever certificate you have. Bring them. Bring the original copies. Maybe if you are married, bring your marriage certificate. And then uh, one important uh, one important thing you should bring, that is driving license. If you have a driving license, you should bring that into Finland. And if you don't have, go to a driving school and uh, do the exam and get the license and bring that to into Finland. If you have a license, you have possibilities, you have more possibilities to get a job. Okay, now about dresses. So what type of dress you should buy from your country? As Finland is a country of cold, is 8 months cold, and 3 to 4 months summer. In category of winter dress or a warm dress, I will recommend you to buy a good jacket that you don't need to buy again from Finland. Buy a very good jacket that you can go outside if there is minus 20 to minus 30 with that jacket. Buy a good pair of winter boot, a good winter gloves, then socks, winter socks and summer socks both, and beanie for your head. You can buy inner clothes, means inners from Finland. They are very good, and you can buy them from 5 to 7 euros if you want inside your t-shirt or inside your pants. You can bring thick jeans. The jeans sometimes we use in Asian countries, they might be thin. So I will recommend to go to a shop and if ask them if they have a thick jeans. Then you can go outside to the wind, to the winter condition, to the cold, with thick jeans and trousers. Buy winter trousers, and the rest like t-shirt and shirt, that is your choice. You can buy 3 4 piece after your expectation, what type of dress you use. Okay, now let's talk about devices. This is very important. Bring laptop. Sometimes students, they don't bring laptop, and this is a mistake. Bring a good quality laptop, because this can be expensive in Finland. You have to pay 25.5% VAT with the original laptop price. In some countries there is no VAT, or maybe a less VAT or less tax. That's why you can buy it in cheaper. So bring a laptop. Bring smartphone. Of course you should bring smartphone. You can also bring a router to start the internet when you come to Finland. As soon as you have the router, you connect to the wall and you can start using internet. You can also use internet in your phone. You can buy, that is about 20 euros per month subscription. Okay, now cooking items. Some people ask if they should bring rice cooker and things like that. It depends, but as for the first time you don't have enough space, you need to think what is the most important thing, and you have to bring everything. So you can bring one frying pan to start your cooking in Finland, frying pan, and rest of the things you can buy from Finland. There is Kiripis, that is the old shop. You can go there and buy those things, or you can go to a shopping mall, and you can find all the cooking items from Prisma or Co Market, or there are many shops like there is IKEA shop, and this kind of shop you will find in Finland, and you can buy this cooking items, and the rest you can bring as you require. Some people prefer to bring pressure cooker from their country, because this can be expensive in Finland. So if you have space in your luggage, you can bring pressure cooker, and you can save time when cooking. Now about spices. If you are from Asian country, you know you love spicy food and you love spices, so you should bring spices like there are many kind of Asian spices. You should bring a little bit from every category, and you don't need to buy when you are here. So at least you bring those spices for a month, then you can go to shop and buy. And the medicine, the last thing, medicine, you should bring some basic medicine like that will help for fever, maybe for diarrhea, or maybe some other like basic disease or cold things. If you feel like cold, and in winter you might feel nosy, so you should bring those type of basic medicine. So that is all from me, and the rest up to you. These are the most important, I believe, and if you think that you should bring something else, that's up to you. So guys, see you to my next video, and welcome to Finland, and I wish you best of luck in the journey of your study, and see you to my next video. Until then, bye bye.